Check. Let's go, gang.
On the yacht, I'm programmed to get money every day like a robot. I know you think I'm fucking with these bitches, but I'm not. Nah, little mama, I'm not. Ever since a minor, I've been all about my business. I might lie to you sometime cause I care about your feelings. No, I don't love her. Yeah, I probably fucked her. No, I don't like her. Baby, I just one night her. Hey, fuck her, 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 I fuck her, fuck her. Shit, fuck her. Fuck these bitches. None of these niggas on trust, fuck her. See, I ain't a hustler, fuck her. None of these niggas don't trust him. They'll work too high, he front until you run off with it, fuck him. Fucking with this bad bitch one night and got in trouble. Flying down the E-way on that codeine singing double. I lied because I didn't know her name, babe, I just fucked her. Fucked her one time in the car, babe, that bitch don't mean nothing. Might pop up in your hood and flood your trap to flex my muscle. Drinking promethazine and eating crab legs and oysters. That's your friend, but he don't wanna grow, so leave him alone. The only thing that he can do from there is bring you down. Hey, she your friend, but that bitch mad you got a real nigga. All this shit that we been through and I'm still right here with you, stop. Ever since a minor, I've been all about my business. I might lie to you sometime cause I care about your feelings. No, I don't love her. Yeah, I probably fucked her. No, I don't like her. Baby, I just one night. Hey, fuck her, 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 shit, fuck her. Fuck these bitches. None of these niggas don't trust, fuck her. On young dreadheads. Now I ain't coming to America, I'm coming to California. All of my bitches, they loyal to me. That's how I got my diploma. Beside the road, no Cartier. I do what I want with this shit like Kanye. I only drink syrup, no Bombay. I knew I was gonna do this shit big one day. Get too much money, then they get afraid. My great-great-granddaddy used to be a slave. They start to hate on you when they know that you paid. But fuck it, I guess it's the price that you pay. Yeah, royalty. Yeah, royalty. Ain't never made me with you. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. All of my bitches, they loyal to me. Yeah. Hey, yeah, royalty king. Royalty, yeah, royalty. Hey. Treat all of my niggas like royalty. All of my bitches, they loyal to me. I love it. Stop. my niggas bossed up. All my niggas got bad bitches, don't know us.
We 730 nigga, we ain't riding no short bus. Fuck with the gang, bitch, get fired up. Hit that like button before we pull a fire out. Rock shit ass to the moon, don't try us. This on that gang shit, nigga, we don't want none. We fucking up the YouTube streets, we on one. We fucking up the YouTube streets, we on one. Yeah. We tryna fucking up the YouTube streets, nigga. Niggas out here playing.
Where my gang at, man? Where my gang at, man? On that gang, what's up?
We tryna run this shit, man. Y'all let me hear y'all say, gang. Y'all with my gang at, man. Y'all singing, gang. Y'all with that gang. Stand up, fuck up. This YouTube shit, man. Stand up right now. Don't play with us, man. We pulling on paperwork, dog. We get your mind right. Gang. We get your motherfucking mind right, nigga. Gang. Y'all know what time it is, man. Gang. Don't fuck with us. We pull that fire out. Gang. Gang.
Let's go. We about to get into this. Let's go. Let's go, gang. Hit the like button. Let's go. Don't get put out. That's what we do to give everybody a chance to get in the bar. Don't get put out. This is what we do to get our gang in the box. If you new, don't come in here with that shit. Trying to tell us what to do. All right? Yeah, ho. Bye, ho. What's up, gang? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, OTG? What's up? Everybody hit the like button. For all the new people in here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, y'all. All this shit going down tonight. Going down tonight. Everybody is slowly seeing the truth. Ain't they, gang? Everybody is slowly seeing the truth. The people coming to the light. The people coming to the light. We got 6 rings over here. Like Michael Jordan. The picture you see behind me, we the champ. 6 rings over here. Count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rings over here. We ain't playing. We ain't playing near a bit. Now, y'all, this shit getting exploited now. Everybody understand? Give me a thumbs up. Let me see what I'll give Cash App on the board. Leandra, thank you for your Cash App, baby. Thank you for your Cash App, Leandra. Y'all support the gang. Cash App on the board. Everything is up there. Hit the like button when you come in. everything. Hit it. It's all getting exploited now. For all y'all out there tonight that had any doubts in your mind about why we come to the conclusion in the Young Dolph case that it's all bullshit, it's right here on the board. Anybody got any questions? Go ahead and put it in the box. You got any questions? Speak now, forever hold your goddamn peace. Speak now or forever hold your peace. Now listen to this video right here. Thank you, Sabrina. Listen to this video we played earlier today.
What's up, what's up? You now tuned in to On That TV, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we about to get into this. What's up, gang? What's up? Now, the other day, I did a live.
Street Drop filed a direct appeal today. Now, when Street Drop got denied by the judge, everybody thought it was over with for Street Drop. Right or wrong? Raven them over there celebrating, everybody saying he done, it's over, he done, it's over. Judge Jennifer Mitchell denied his appeal, it's over with. Well, a bullshit, like that baby say. Bullshit.
I hope y'all watched the live.
Thank you, Sabrina
On
Harley.
the live, we basically
for the,
broke down
for
the
the
Young Dolph
super
case
sticker bid.
and what we believe to be the truth in the case. All right, I showed y'all, you know, the baby in the car putting on the mask, and we went over some of the court issues that they had at trial with Young Dolph's cousin, you know what I'm saying, looking for the family to give them the car before the murder. All right, now there's a number of things that went wrong in this trial. We all can agree to that. The medical examiner, missing bullets.
Let's start right here. Now, y'all know, everybody say that the Young Dolph case over with. Street Drop did this, he did that. Well, guess what it did? Street Drop filed his appeal. Street Drop filed his appeal. Hit the like button. Street Drop filed his appeal. Let's go. Now, this the same court he done won in. This the same court he done won in, okay?
Nobody from the cookie shop testified. Marcus didn't testify. Nobody basically testified that was supposed to testify. Now, the first witness that saw these shooters was allegedly the girl behind the counter. She didn't testify.
All right, who was the first? Listen, let's play the trivia game. Who was the first person spotted the shooters? Who was the first person spotted the shooters at Makita's? Let's play this game in the box. Who was the first person spotted the shooters? Put it in the box. Put it in the box. Who was the first person? The girl behind the counter, right? The first person spotted the shooters. Well, guess what? She didn't testify. How come the main witness who see them did not testify? Ask yourself that first. Let's play the common sense game right now. The common sense game is the first person that saw them behind the counter, the cashier, did not testify in the trial. Does that sound right? Give me a thumbs up if you think it's right. Give me a thumbs down if you think it's wrong. The girl behind the counter. Come on, y'all got to type faster than this in the box, all right? Come on, because we taking our time now, and we got to get y'all to see this shit. Because the people, I'm not playing, all right? Not playing. The cashier. And she was the first person. She didn't testify in the trial.
Right here, today I'm going to give y'all some breaking news. Street Drop is in appeal court.
Oh, they mad.
This is his appeal.
They mad about this shit, gang.
He has appealed this murder.
Y'all got to move this
right
ball.
Here on the screen, you can see it right here in bold. He has a...
That's the same court Street Drop warning every time. The change of venue, the judges, and everything. Now he back with his case. I think Street Drop got about a 99% chance of getting this case thrown out. About a 99% chance. And the reason I say that is because of this. Look,
Appealed this murder. Judge Mitchell, Jennifer Johnson, okay? He filed his appeal on 1/31/25, right here. And this is his initiating document trap 3 notice of his appeal. Now, Straight Drop is filing this appeal before Govan go to court, before Cornelius go to court, before all of them. This is planned out, okay? Now
remember I told
Straight
y'all
Drop
that
went-
they had this whole shit planned for Straight Drop to walk. Who all know that I said they got this whole shit planned for him to walk? Give me a thumbs up. We did videos on this. I said they had this whole shit planned for him to walk. Let's go.
This appeal, what's that going to do for Govan and the rest of the defendants in the case before they even get sentenced? So he's going to point out all the things that went wrong in his trial and hoping that it gets overturned. Now, he also won in this court with Judge Coffey.
He won, got Judge Coffey put off the case. Now, let me show you something. Let's go right here. This the same court. For y'all that don't know, this the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals, Justice Johnson in the Court of Appeals went against Judge Coffey. This is what me and Jadam got upset about, right? He went against Judge Coffey. And here you see the document. Right here. This matter background, Coffey made an announcement from the bench regarding the defendant who was not on the docket that day and was not present. So these same judges ruled in favor of Straight Drop getting the judge off his case. They say it's hereby ordered that the trial court's denial of the appellate's motion to recuse is reversed. The matter is remanded so that the case can be reassigned to a different judge. Right here, I'm showing y'all, Straight Drop beat them. He lost in Shelby County Court and beat them with the appeals court. So Straight Drop lawyers set him up in a very good position in this case. Very good. And the reason I say that is because of this.
My last name is spelled.
I'm here to let y'all know right now. Denied by a little. He had. Oh,
Right here.
let's just say he's in trial right now.
Straight Drop, right here. Now this is on the record. Any mistake made in a trial, will it will lead to a reversal. Everybody understand that. Any mistake made in a trial will lead to a reversal or acquittal or a new trial. Everybody give me a thumbs up in the box. Any mistake made in a trial and they appeal it, it has to come back. Give me a thumbs up. Right? So why do you think they made this public right here? They made this public as fuck right here. Look. This on the news. Prosecutor admits mistake on video evidence in the young Dolph murder trial. Just this one video alone. Just this one title and video alone can have him come back because the prosecutor admitted his mistake. Now listen to the prosecutor saying, I'm apologize for you being here. Listen.
Because I'm gonna take responsibility for it.
I'm going to take responsibility for it.
You're an extra witness to clear up a mistake from yesterday.
So they had to bring in an extra witness to clear up a mistake from yesterday. Do all y'all understand that? They had to bring in an extra witness to clear up a mistake from yesterday. To clear up a mistake from yesterday. Right here, They admitted to the mistake. So Street Drop ain't even got to say nothing about the video because they admitted to fucking up the video. Everybody give me a thumbs up in the box. Y'all want me to exploit, y'all want me to expose this, you got to participate. If you want me to give you the truth, you gotta pay attention. These people sat here and said, we calling an extra witness to clear up a mistake from yesterday in the trial. You don't get to clear mistakes up. There shouldn't be no mistakes. You had 3 years to get this right. And you mean to tell me out of 3 years you had to get this right, you came into a trial and made a mistake by taking timestamps off of a video in a murder trial. By missing timestamps. Hit the like button. How many likes in the box? I will fucking shut it down if it ain't 218 in here. There's 120. I'm missing 100 likes. Y'all get y'all shit together. Y'all get y'all shit together, come back. When you get your shit together. I ain't gonna have 100 stalkers in my fucking box. Period. I ain't giving up no truth for y'all niggas. Get it together and come back. Come back when you're ready. Y'all got 2 minutes to hit that like button or y'all ass out of here. And I'm going to shut the box down. Members only. Y'all make me sick coming here watching my shit and don't want it like that. Get the fuck out. They don't want this truth out. Do y'all understand that? They don't want this truth out. We ruffling feathers right now behind this shit. They want the whole world to believe young Dolph dead, but the evidence don't state that. Do y'all understand that? The evidence don't show that. The evidence don't show that young Dolph did. Period. Right here, prosecutor admitting to making a mistake in the video evidence in the young Dolph trial. This enough alone right here to get him a new trial. Prosecutor admits mistake on video evidence in murder trial by ABC News in Memphis. The News put this title there because he admitted to this. Listen.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How are you employed?
I'm employed with the Memphis Police Department.
And how long have you been with Memphis Police Department?
26 years.
2021, where were you assigned?
I was assigned to the homicide unit.
Did you have occasion to work on the case having to do with the murder of Adolph Thornton Jr., the rapper and installer?
Yes, sir.
In particular, on November the 24th and then on November the 26th of 2021, Did you have occasion to go to the Crosstown building?
Yes, sir.
For what purpose?
We were attempting to see if there was video footage in connection with this investigation.
Did you speak with security there?
Yes.
Listen to
Were you
that.
allowed to view video there?
Yes, sir.
Did you retrieve video from there?
Yes, sir, we did.
And was it accurate surveillance footage from the building
Yes, sir.
from November the 16th and November the 17th
Yes, sir.
of 2021?
Yes, sir.
And was it one camera angle or many camera angles?
Many camera angles.
In fact, November the 26th,
Almost a week later.
I'm looking at your supplement, you actually created a timeline of the various events.
Y'all, this shit bogus. 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 And I tell you, there was a mistake. Listen.
Take with regard to one
I tell you, there was a mistake with regard to one of the reels you showed the prosecution.
of those reels.
Yes, sir.
And I want to take responsibility.
I want to take responsibility, you know, for making a mistake in one of them reels inside the trial. This motherfucker said, and I tell you, it was a black screen. Right here, look.
Take with on the reel
1 minute.
that had a date and
A date and time we looking at.
time of what we were looking at.
Yes, sir.
Did I tell you that of the various events, that black screen was correct for all but one?
Yes, sir.
And I
The
said,
black screen was correct for all but one. The black screen was correct for all but one. Gang. Everybody give me thumbs up, hit the like button. Y'all witnessing the bullshit. The black screen was correct for all but one. Y'all had no business altering that video. Hagerman, MPD, you had no business touching the original footage of those videos. Unedited, untampered, whatever. Y'all had no business altering the video.
correct for all but one.
Yes, sir.
And I tell you there was a mistake.
There was a mistake with regard to one of them reels. Y'all convict this man with a mistake on one of the videos. There you have it. It's in your face. And I tell you, there was a mistake with regard to one of them reels. This world breaking news, everybody share this video. Share it on your fucking social media. This for everybody that got doubt in Onan gang. Everybody that got doubt in what we say. This is solid proof, gang. This to Memphis and the whole world. They have been busted. Live and direct. Onan TV has busted the young Dolph case wide the fuck open. Wide open. They can't get around this. They altered the video footage of young Dolph murder. That's facts. That ain't no fiction. That's facts. So everybody know right now, they altered the video footage from young Dolph murder. It's altered. Altered footage cannot be used in a trial unless you got a video forensic expert on the stand telling you why they did it and to show the jury the authenticity and how authentic it is, and they have to explain to the jury that it was altered for this purpose to make reels or whatever, but they need an expert to say they had to do this to prove this or that. It was none of that. They busted. This for all the trolls that come in my box playing with us. Eat this shit right here. Eat this shit sandwich, y'all. Eat this shit sandwich, y'all. Y'all think Onan crazy? Eat this shit sandwich right now. Eat this shit sandwich, y'all. They're exposed. They are exposed for tampering with evidence. He said, I tell you there was a mistake with regard to one of them reels. The timestamps were missing. Let's go.
With regard to one of those reels.
Yes, sir.
And I want to take responsibility, you know.
No, fuck that. You want to take responsibility because you altered it. So look how the police looking at him like, what? You want to take responsibility.
For that.
Yeah.
I want to show you and ask you if you recognize these to be the original videos.
Now he's trying to get the police to say if these the original videos instead of calling an expert to the stand.
Not made into a reel that you obtained from Crosstown with regard to the suspect leaving.
Video a whole hour later, timestamp missing. Mistake for all but one.
Yes, sir.
And I tell you there was a mistake with regard to one of those reels. And did I tell you that to make up for that, a black screen was inserted, separate camera. Is that right?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Check this
Did I
out.
explain to you that when you make a reel
When you make a reel,
of the cameras, that
the timestamps disappear that ain't a part of the reel. So y'all made a reel, the timestamps disappear. And y'all want us to believe this bullshit. You had no business altering the footage and timestamps disappearing in a murder trial. They frame these niggas. They frame Street Drop and Cornelius. That's what I believe. That's just what I believe, because the prosecutor sitting up here saying that he made the mistake when they made the reels and he gonna take responsibility for that because he inserted a black screen into this case that you wasn't supposed to touch, alter, or nothing of that video. Nothing. You don't alter any videos, Mr. Hagerman, without getting an expert to say, you know what the fuck you doing. You're not a video expert, so since you inserted them black screens and the timestamps disappeared, Mr. Hagerman, that's on you for fucking up. You had no business entering black screens and making the timestamps disappear so that the people could be confused about what time Street Drop left that goddamn hotel. Okay? All but one. There you go. So all the people that think we crazy, this the proof right here, y'all. This the proof. This the proof, gang. Y'all can't deny it. This the proof. The motherfucker tell you right here in your face, all but one. He said the timestamps disappear and ain't a part of the reel. If the timestamps disappear, then that tell you we don't know what time that was he left that place to get to the cookie shop. Because they put in some shit they didn't have no business doing. Why is the prosecutor altering murder footage without an expert? This is crazy. Why is the prosecutor altering footage in a murder case? Why they ain't call an expert to do this? Call the expert to the stand. Let the expert say this what happened. He said, I'm going to take responsibility for that. This was a plot to get Street Drop off. They admitted to their own mistake. There you go.
Timestamps disappear and aren't part of the reel.
Aren't part of the real.
Yes, sir.
And did I tell you that to make up for that,
To make up for that,
a black screen
a black screen was inserted in front of each of the events.
was inserted in front of
So y'all inserted a black screen into murder footage. Murder footage. Y'all inserted. Y'all altered. Oh my goodness. Everybody hit the like button right now. Watch this. Can you use altered video footage in a murder trial? Can you use altered video footage in a murder trial? No, you generally cannot use altered video footage in a murder trial as evidence because any significant manipulation or editing would raise serious questions about the footage authenticity, and it could render it inadmissible in court. The presenting party must prove the video is unaltered to be considered credible evidence. They entered altered footage in it. However, investigators must consider the person who uploaded the visual evidence may have edited the video to highlight the main event. Investigators should attempt to recover the original from that. So, an edited video cannot be used in court. This is an automatic acquittal for Street Drop. Automatic acquittal. This is going to be reversed. Street Drop life sentence is going to be reversed. It's going to be reversed, gang. They tampered with it and they admitted it, right? They tampered with it. Everybody shared this video. They tampered with it. They should have called. They manipulated. Nor can it be used to prevent. It cannot be used. It must be relevant, authentic, and legally photo and video evidence admissible in court. It's rules. The authenticity and accuracy, how it was retained, you cannot touch this. You can't. So, listen to what he's saying.
each of the events on the reel that had a date and time of what we were looking at.
Yes, sir.
Did I tell you that of the various events, that black screen was correct for all but one?
Yes, sir.
And I tell you there was a mistake with regard to one of those reels.
Yes, sir.
And I want to take responsibility, for that. I want to show you and ask you if you recognize.
You can't take responsibility and try to clear that up. You can't take that because you fucked up. 10:49, he was there. Now listen to this.
Spliced into a reel. So we go on for another 10:58.
Yes, sir.
2006. These, they're labeled timestamp included correct time. These that coincide with you, because we can make
So there's been one shown yesterday with the wrong time.
One shown yesterday with the wrong time. The judge said they showed the jury yesterday one with the wrong time. Right there, straight drop coming back. Right there. Somebody call Raven in here. Thank you, Nikita, for the super sticker. Right there. I gotta remove this. They said yesterday, one shown, when you say the video coincides with the ones that were shown last week. And the time we know happened, the real time was 10:50. So y'all, they said one showing yesterday with the wrong time. The wrong time. They showed the jury a video with the wrong time. Y'all telling me this ain't been planned and plot and strategized? I'm doing 2 lives tonight. Who want me to do 2 lives? Y'all hit the like button. We will come back with 2 lives tonight. Y'all gonna tell me. Thank you, Tony Blythe, for the cash app. All the people giving me cash app. Thank y'all. I'm gonna buy me a fucking bottle, come back and tear them a new asshole tonight. So y'all can donate right now. I'm gonna get me a bottle of Don Julio. I'm gonna come back and tear them a new asshole tonight. Y'all see this shit right here. Oh, man. Bad motherfucker. Yesterday with the wrong timestamp. This is a murder trial, y'all. This is not a game. This is not an illusion. This is not, they playing with a nigga life right here. And I ain't taking up a straight drop. I'm just telling y'all, if it was me, I would be in the same position as straight drop right now, fighting the kids. Straight drop is going to be set free. He's going to be set free. I can guarantee y'all, with every bone in my body, every breath that I breathe, if the judges follow the law, he's going to be cut free because they made the mistake in trial. They showed a jury a video of this man with the wrong timestamps, bro. With the wrong timestamps. He's going to sue these people and he's going to get free. You cannot show a jury edited evidence with mistakes in it to get a conviction on a man's life. You cannot show them this. Look at this.
That's on this same
yes.
zip lock, right? So how are we going to know what?
How are we going to know
This video.
This video coincides with the ones that were shown last week. So how are we going to know that this one coincides with the video? The judge saying, how are we going to know this? Because you done fucked up, Hagerman. Look.
Coincides with the ones that were shown last week.
They have the time, they have the date and the time, and we know what happened is the real time is 10:50-ish.
Yes.
They going to the stand and have a meeting now because they done fucked up. They done fucked up beyond fucked up. And they shut the trial down. They shut it down because they know they done fucked up. Y'all see how they turn the shit off? Right there, look. The judge saying, how are we going to know what happened? And Squid Drop Lawyer and them, all of them shut the trial down, look.
Real time is 10:50-ish.
Yes.
Man, approach. Look. They know they done made a mistake. They know they done made a mistake. They done fucked up the trial right here. It's over with, gang. They made the biggest mistake of their life. Look at Squid Drop. He like, yeah, we got him. Everybody hit the like button, hit the cash app, gang. Look at the cash app on the board. Oh my God, y'all getting the truth tonight. Y'all getting the truth tonight. And we ain't putting no sugar on this. We ain't trying to amp this up. We ain't trying to make y'all think, oh, nah. No, this shit undisputed right here. This undisputed evidence. I ain't trying to gas y'all up. None of that. This shit undisputed what you looking at. It's undisputed, gang. Undisputed. She allowed this video to come back in the trial after they made a mistake. After they made this mistake. Y'all see this? Everybody see this. Straight drop going home. I'll bet my motherfucking life on it. If they follow the rules of the court, straight drop going home.
That we've correct me if I'm wrong, we've watched sort of one event that you viewed on the Crowd Crosstown video, is that correct?
One event.
Yes.
And we've watched the original video with the timestamp.
Yes.
With the timestamp. And the times we saw were 10:49.
And the times that we saw were 10:49 to 10:56
10:56.
a.m.
Yes, sir.
Approximately an hour and a half before the shooting.
Yes, sir.
Hour and a half before the shooting.
You also watched other video, correct?
Yes, sir.
An earlier video from around 2:40
We don't give a fuck about them videos that morning.
that morning when the suspect left the Crosstown complex. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And you also watched a video from around 4:48 with the Mercedes arriving at the complex.
Let us know how y'all gonna correct this shit. Let us know how y'all gonna correct this.
Crosstown complex. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Jamie Anderson, thank you for the cash app.
And then you also watched a video from later that evening around 7:52
Let us know how y'all gonna do this.
p.m. Of the suspect returning to Crosstown. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And in a video around 8:17 p.m.
How the fuck he remembering all this without looking?
of the suspect with luggage
He's just saying yes sir to everything.
leaving the Crosstown concourse. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Is that right? He's just saying yes sir to everything.
And as you watch these videos, did you also create a timeline of these events?
Yes, sir.
And did you do that back when you originally watched the videos, 11/24 and 11/26 of 2021?
Yes, sir.
Now this is funny to me how all y'all watched this trial and nobody paid attention to what was really going on. They put the Johnny rig in our face. Thank you, DG, just for us, OTG. Everybody that giving us cash, yep, I'm going to buy a bottle with that motherfucker and be coming back. Y'all want me to do 2 lives, y'all need to donate to the cash app. We're going to do 2 lives tonight. I got 50 cents. I got Big Meats paperwork, 50 cents. I want to talk about all that. All right, so I want to talk about 50 Cent because I got some paperwork and I want to talk about this. Let's go.
I passed you this document and asked you.
How y'all creating a timeline on the wrong timestamps? If you got the wrong timestamps, how you creating a timeline on the wrong timestamps?
What this is.
Oh, I think we're
Now they said for 3 years that this was a cover up. They said this was a cover up for the last 3 years. 3 years they said it was a cover up. Listen to this.
For those reasons, now that that's very high probability. So he had a role in the conspiracy.
With all of the.
Do you expect your market that he's been? There's a good possibility that he has to tell the truth. It was a different car, and then using the phone to coordinate communications. Well, I say litigation, especially on conspiracy cases where you have multiple players, multiple
players,
different people doing different things. In order to get those cases to trial and then get those successfully prosecuted, it's a little bit like chess. You got to set up your pieces.
Set up your pieces.
Before you start making
multiple people
moves. And it's
and just
setting up a piece.
And just for clarification, Jamarcus Johnson didn't receive anything.
Jamarcus Johnson, no, absolutely not. His only involvement in the case is what we just outlined to you. About a week or so afterwards, he took acts that helped his brother evade law enforcement.
A while back, Judge Coffey indicated that most probably these cases moved at a certain pace, right? He said maybe not next year.
These cases move at a certain pace.
The year after. Does this in any way accelerate?
Don't accelerate shit. But let me tell you something right here. The man admitting to this shit, look.
I just read to you from that timeline. Whatever. The timestamps. When those things happened?
Yes, sir.
With the videos with the timestamps.
The video with the timestamps.
Before they were ever put into reels or whatever.
Oh, no. Before they put in the reels or whatever. Whatever. Fuck you mean whatever. Y'all altered that shit. Gang. They altered the video. That's it. Ain't nothing to talk about. They altered the video.
Or put into reels or whatever.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Lieutenant. On November 24th.
When we did, we went in and reviewed. I think we reviewed.
Okay. And I'm sure in your long career,
Yes, sir.
looking at the time when you were there and looking at the video and saying it was the same, like those times matched. If you're there on the 24th at 2 p.m., you looked up at the system and it said on the video it was the 24th at 2 p.m.
Yeah, we compared the live view.
The live view.
Yes, sir.
But you would agree with me, you weren't watching the live view
On the 17th, you wasn't watching it.
on November 17th.
They went to this hotel a week later.
Or November 16th, when these concourse videos were actually being recorded, correct?
No, we were not.
You're going back and reviewing an archived video format of those, correct?
I'm sorry, man. Yes.
2 p.m. on the 24th.
Happened to that system. I can only tell you that when we did our initial view, as far as live view is concerned, we compared, and that's been our best practice to do each and every time we download video to make sure that there is.
Why they ain't call a video expert for the cookie shop or this video right here? Or this video. And if they had a expert video technician involved in this case, then you would have seen This baby in the back seat putting on a ski mask. And you would have seen this nigga dress up in the same clothes. Right here. Look at this. Shit hanging, the ski mask hanging. Look, watch this. He pulls the shit down. And puts it over his head. Look, y'all. Then you would have seen that. You would have seen the baby put the ski mask on his head. In the back seat when this child should be in the car seat, this car putting on the ski mask in the back seat. The child putting on the ski mask. In the back seat. The child putting it over his head. Backwards. Ski mask. In the back seat. Then on top of that, you got on the same clothes that the shooter had on. One of the shooters. Let's go. Now look how he looking in the camera. All paranoid and shit. He has on the gray sweatpants. She said all black. She pick up her baby daddy. He got on gray sweatpants. No socks. Socks on. No shoes. Why you take off your... What the fuck going on here? Gray sweatpants. She said the shooter's been all black. Shit, she got on all black. And then in the back seat, the fucking baby playing with a mask. Let me tell y'all something here. This was going on. As y'all see this. And then you see the trial. The mistakes made in the trial.
There's no differentiation between hour, minutes, sometimes, because sometimes it can be a 30-minute time loop or an hour time loop. So that's why we do the live view best practice before we begin that review.
Right, and that's something, because especially on a system like this, that's something that, you know, computer technician would have to tell you, right?
A computer technician.
Someone familiar with the system that audits the system or works on the system or at least is qualified and knows the system.
To let us know if there was a time loop or there was an inaccuracy. Yes.
Did you have that?
All right, and you didn't have that. You didn't have that information.
You didn't have that information. You didn't have that man to tell you that. Look how he looking. What?
Well, we had the computer technician with us
At the time. What computer technician?
at the time because he was the one that had to download
No, we're not talking about him. We talking about the expert.
all the footage that we had bookmarked. So yes, there was someone there to let us know that yeah, this is the time.
Right, but other than saying we booked, because you said you bookmarked it, other than saying we've bookmarked these times, did you ever say, was there any issue with the system? Do you know these times to be accurate?
That was never a question answered.
That was never a question to ask. So you just based that on the video.
All right, you just based that on the live time.
Yes.
All right.
His ability to tell us that we were in live time and it was accurate during the time in which we started the preparation of bookmarking.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
There you go. Straight drop lawyer just got him. Just got him. Why not? Now, I'm going to be back to do a part 2 because I want to do 1 hour here and 2 hours on the next live. And the next live, we're going to talk about this too also. Hey, y'all, this shit fake. But, I mean, that's on y'all, man. How y'all believe or whatever y'all believe, they fucked up, and it is what it is. Straight drop is now coming back on appeal. Straight drop is coming back on appeal, and it's all right here. Straight drop is coming back on appeal, and it's all right here. He says it in this paperwork. Notice of appeal. Justice Johnson, defendant, hereby appeals the Court of Criminal from the final judgment entered on his deed. He is appealing, and he will win in the same court that he done won in 3 times. 3 times. 3 times. Who sent me cash apps? Jamie, Tony, Leandra, thank y'all for the cash app. And I may come back for round 2. Round 2. And we gonna tear their ass up tonight. So y'all stay tuned and stay watching for this, because this gonna be something else, man. This gonna be something else.